Price worries. The inflation trajectory suggests a rate cut may remain elusive for some time. From a 14 months high of 6.2% in October, consumer price inflation moderated to 5.5% last month. Much of this minor respite stems from a decline in the inflation rate of some food items. For vegetables, it cooled from a 57-month peak of 42.2% to just under 30%, while food grain prices rose at the slowest pace in 28 months, and pulses cooled to just over 5% after a prolonged spell of double digit spikes. Despite these pockets of relief, overall food inflation remained sharp at over 9% for the third straight month, with edible oil pricing firming up 13.3%, the highest in 30 months as a global price spike has coincided with an import duty hike by the center. It is no surprise coconut prices are up over 42%, even as items such as garlic 85.1%, potato 66.7%, cauliflower and cabbage well over 40% are pinching consumers, while recent conversations about the economy have focused on decelerating urban demand. The price rise trend is hitting rural consumers harder, with close to 6% inflation in November as well as higher food prices. Despite assertions by the government that food prices are volatile and should be ignored for monetary policy purposes, when growth is stumbling, higher spends on meals are spilling into other food items prices. Manufacturing and services firms have reported intensified cost pressures last month, compelling them to hike prices at the highest pace in 12 years. The Reserve Bank of India (RBI), which had originally estimated October-December inflation to average 4.8%, raised it to 5.7% at its monetary policy review last week. This implies inflation this month, which will be the last data before the RBI's Monetary Policy Committee meets next, could still be high at 5.4%. This would be well above the central bank's median target of 4%. The MPC now expects average inflation to attain that level only by the second quarter of 2025-26. The government, whose clamor for an interest rate cut was ignored by the MPC last week, may be hoping its new appointee at the helm of Mint Street, another finance ministry insider, may oblige with most urgent and bigger rate cuts to support growth. While some assert a rate cut in February's MPC's meet is virtually cemented, going by current trends, the data may not back such as move, as growth might recover a bit and inflation may cool a tad more, this diminishing any urgency that the center would have presented its budget 25-26 by the next MPC meet may help the rate cut case going forward if it demonstrates fiscal prudence and steps to ease citizens' living costs.